Hi guys, this video is about microneedle radio frequency machine MNRF applications and advantages. I am Principal Dr. Ashok Gayakwar from Ashoka Thoughts Academy. Introduction to microneedle RF technology. Microneedles. The device utilizes an array of fine needles that penetrate the skin's surface, creating microchannels. These channels allow the RF energy to reach deeper layers of the dermis. Radio frequency energy. RF energy is delivered through the needles, generating heat that stimulates collagen production and tissue remodeling. This controlled heat encourages the body's natural healing process, leading to skin rejuvenation. Controlled depth. The depth of the needles can be adjusted based on the patient's individual needs and treatment goals. This allows for precise targeting of different skin layers, ensuring optimal results. Minimal downtime. RF microneedle treatments are typically minimally invasive, resulting in minimal downtime compared to more aggressive procedures. Patients can usually return to their daily activities shortly after treatment. Skin rejuvenation and collagen stimulation. Collagen boost. RF microneedle technology effectively stimulates collagen production by inducing a controlled heat injury in the skin's dermis. This triggers a cascade of events that lead to increased collagen synthesis. Skin elasticity. The increased collagen production enhances skin elasticity and firmness, resulting in a more youthful and toned appearance. This is particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing age-related skin laxity. MNRF also improves skin texture. RF microneedle treatment improves skin texture by promoting the formation of new collagen, which helps to fill in fine lines, reduce pore size, and create a smoother, more even skin surface. Now, let's see the treatments done by the MNRF machine: acne scar reduction and skin texture improvement. Collagen remodeling. RF microneedles stimulate collagen production within the scar tissue, promoting collagen remodeling and reducing the appearance of depressed scars. Improved skin texture. The new collagen formation creates a smoother, more even skin surface, minimizing the indentations and unevenness associated with acne scars. Enhanced skin elasticity. The improved collagen structure contributes to increased skin elasticity, helping to minimize the prominence of scars and restore a more youthful appearance. The next application is wrinkle reduction and skin tightening. Heat stimulation. The RF energy delivered through the needles generates heat that stimulates collagen and elastin production. Skin tightening. The increased collagen and elastin production leads to firmer and tighter skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Improved elasticity. The treatment helps improve the skin's overall elasticity, making it more resilient to future wrinkles and sagging. The next application is hyperpigmentation and skin discoloration treatment. Melanin reduction. RF microneedle therapy can help reduce melanin production, which is responsible for pigmentation and dark spots. Skin tone evenness. The treatment can promote a more even skin tone by reducing the appearance of dark spots, sunspots, and other hyperpigmentation. Improved complexion. The treatment can help create a brighter, more radiant complexion by reducing uneven pigmentation and promoting a more even skin tone. The next important application is pore minimization and skin smoothing. The mechanism is collagen reduction and the result is increased collagen production strengthens the skin structure, tightening and minimizing the appearance of pores. The mechanism is improved elasticity, and the result is enhanced skin elasticity allows the pores to contract, reducing their size and improving the overall skin smoothness. The mechanism is cell turnover, and the result is increased cell turnover sheds dead skin cells, resulting in a smoother and more even skin surface, minimizing the prominence of pores. Let's see what are the advantages of RF microneedle over traditional treatments. The first advantage is minimally invasive. RF microneedle treatments are less invasive than traditional procedures, resulting in less downtime and discomfort. The next advantage is the MNRF treatment is a targeted treatment. The treatment can be tailored to specific areas of concern, addressing various skin concerns simultaneously. You get natural results. RF microneedle therapy promotes the body's natural healing process, resulting in subtle and natural-looking results. Long-lasting effects. The collagen stimulation achieved with RF microneedle therapy can provide long-lasting improvements in skin texture and tone. Safety and efficacy of RF microneedle procedures. RF microneedle procedures are generally safe when performed by qualified and experienced practitioners who follow strict safety protocols. These protocols may include a thorough medical history review, a skin assessment, and the use of appropriate anesthetic agents to minimize discomfort during the procedure. 2. Minimal downtime. RF microneedle treatments are minimally invasive and generally require minimal downtime. Patients can typically resume their normal activities shortly after the procedure. 3. Clinical studies. Numerous clinical studies have demonstrated the safety and efficacy of RF microneedle technology for various skin concerns. These studies have shown significant improvements in skin texture, wrinkles, scars, and hyperpigmentation. 4. Long-lasting results. The collagen stimulation and skin tightening effects of RF microneedle treatment can provide long-lasting results. However, maintenance treatments may be recommended to sustain optimal outcomes. Let's see some of the practical applications and case studies. Wrinkle reduction. RF microneedle treatment effectively reduces wrinkles by stimulating collagen production and improving skin elasticity. Case studies demonstrate significant improvement in the appearance of wrinkles, with patients reporting increased satisfaction with their skin's appearance. Acne scar treatment. RF microneedle therapy effectively reduces the appearance of acne scars by promoting collagen remodeling and improving skin texture. Case studies have demonstrated significant improvements in scar depth and a smoother, more even skin surface. Hyperpigmentation treatment. RF microneedle treatment effectively addresses hyperpigmentation by stimulating melanin breakdown and promoting cell turnover. Case studies showcase notable reductions in dark spots and a more even skin tone, improving overall skin appearance. If you like this video, please press like button. Also, subscribe to our channel, Ashoka Thoughts Academy, and press the bell icon for the future notifications. Thank you.